How to download and install VLC Media Player on your Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video, I will show you how you can download and install VLC Media Player on Windows, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to download and install VLC Media Player on Windows, all you have to do is first of all open up your browser and you want to type in VLC Media Download. Once you do that, click on the first link, which is the official link called videoland.org. Once you click on the first link, here you'll see the download button. Just click on download and then install the application. Now once you've downloaded the application, it might ask you for a few other pop-ups, and here you can just choose the option called start download. Now the download of the VLC Media Player is basically complete, so we're going to move on to the setup process. Now all you have to do is just click on the open button. Once you open it, allow and run the app as an administrator, select a language, click on next, and again click on next. Choose any type of plugins that you want to or either don't want to install. I'll just leave it to default, and then click on next option again. You can select where you want to install the VideoLand player and then just click on the option called install again. Now you can see it says extracting, which means the installation process has begun, and after it has finished extracting, it is going to successfully open up, and now you can stream movies with VLC Media Player. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then download and install the VLC Media Player on your Windows. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.